The easiest way to prepare your pepper mix for Nigerian jollof or stew is by rinsing out your fresh tomatoes, chilies, onions, ginger and garlic. Boil them on a medium to low heat. Afterwards, proceed to blend till you get a rich thick paste. Did you also know that you can use the leftover paste for other cooking purposes such as stir-fried spaghetti, noodles, and anything that requires the use of pepper mix in general? Thank you for watching.